Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ross David. I'm introducing my new lineup of DIY home improvement products that will be a great addition to your home care. Just a few ingredients and you're all set. After much experimenting and combining the right amounts of mixture, I have come up with a long-lasting fragrance that is more environmentally safe and has no long-lasting and harmful effects like scented smoke that comes from burning. Natural essence of oils make a good combination and do not have to be burned to give you benefits. A measured release in the confines of any room is more than enough to enhance the beauty of your home. Please DM me in the comments below and subscribe to my channel so I can share more DIY ideas with you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.